Hello guys, this is Dr. Lior Bar-El. Now I showed you guys I build 3D printers, and one of the 3D printers you guys had an issue with, one of you guys reached out to me on Instagram and told me, Lior, how the hell do I have in my nozzle a leak. For some reason it's coming out, and I screwed it all the way in and it's still coming out and oozing through. So let me explain to you what happens, okay? So I'm going to tell you guys what happens. I'm going to tell you guys where to get a new one and how you can control this. So anyways, let's get right into it. Okay guys, like I said, one of you guys reached out to me, you told me about the hot end. You said, well, you didn't say hot end, you said, can you explain to me why I'm having this issue? Where, even though, where's that? I'm looking for something here. Okay, hold on. Let me pull this out. So this model that I'm going to show you comes with 4 of these, but they're 0.4. Okay, so basically what happens is this goes into a hot end. Okay, there's a fan spinning on it that cools it down, and what happens is with metal, what you guys should know, and this is brass too, that it could be a hole in the brass that's causing this issue, but most of the time it's not. I'll tell you why. Well, I'm not going to say most of the time. Sometimes it's not. Now, if it is, very simple, get yourself one of these. You get them in Microtech, any type of one, and to be honest, you don't put anything in it. You just go like this and it'll come off, I'm telling you. Now, if it doesn't come off, then you have a problem, because most likely your brass nozzle is probably compromised. Now, I'm going to explain it to you. It depends where you buy these from. Some of these people sell you garbage, and what happens is you put them in, it works for a print or two, then once the heat starts kicking in a lot and you overuse it, it starts to have issues, and then the brass starts having holes, it starts kind of like degrading and eventually flaking off, and all kinds of different issues. So always get it from a reputable place, and you guys will be definitely happy with the results from that. But what happens is sometimes the hot end, you start to strip it when you're going in and out, taking it out, putting it back in, and when the heat is on it, because what you do is when you screw in a nozzle, you first screw it in when it's cold, then you heat it up, and then you'll find out that you could tighten it even more. Now, if you don't do that, it's going to ooze out. Now, if you did that, and it's spinning endlessly, you either stripped it, which you need a new hot end, which I'm actually going to show you guys how to install this baby. I don't even wait till something goes wrong. I just get every year, because I do a lot of printing on the printers that I build. So every year I replace the hot end. I get it from Amazon. I'm gonna, I'm not gonna post affiliate links. You could just look it up. It's not a problem. Just look up hot end from Creality. You could find it for your model, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install it, because a few of you guys got it when I was telling you guys about it on Instagram. When I was talking to that person, other people started jumping in, and I was telling you guys, I will show you in a video how to put this baby together. Now, I'm going to tell you, this baby comes in a box, and I'm going to show you what it comes with, okay? So first off, these are spares, okay? It comes with a rubber that I could 3D print this, no problem, but whatever, you could also buy these rubbers and put them in. And once you do, it kind of contains the heat in one location, this rubber that could deal with the heat. These are, the brass heads. Now, I could tell you I've been using them, and they're great. I have no issue with them. But again, like, I just do this to be safe. Comes in a real stupid box like this, but these are like spares. So you get 4 spares, and then one spare of those silicone ones. And you could see here, it comes with everything you need. Now, you could get these separate. I don't know why you would, because this costs 20 bucks. Just get it all together, and that way you don't have to worry about, because here's the thing. When I also take out the Bowden tubes, I have to use a a wrench. And what happens is it starts grating down on these. And, you know, it's not a problem for me because I could just put a jacket, put a hot air gun, and that's it. But why deal with the pressure? I do it once every year. And you can see there's Kempton tape already on it. I'll probably reinforce it with some more Kempton tape just in case. And you can see it already comes with everything you need. This little baby right here and the nozzle. Now, as far as this, this little stupid thing here, it's not big enough like the ones I use. So I'm obviously going to take this one out and put my old Bowden tube into this baby and call it a day. So not the best thing in the world. And the fact that they don't even include the screws, you're going to need to get the screws from your original hot end and put it into it, which, again, like on Amazon, different models are different. Just look for them. You'll find it, take a caliper, and you'll find you could buy a bunch of new ones and just call it a day from there. And right here is a new fan that comes with it as well. And this way the cable, everything is brand new, and it's only 20 bucks on Amazon, no joke. So let's put it together. Okay guys, so this is one of my older models. So you could see right here, the first thing we need to do is remove this and this. Now it comes, you know, you could get hex keys and just for the respected part, it usually comes with it. Or if not, just get yourself a multi-kit and it will be able to take these two right here out. Now, you got to be careful not to lose these. So just, you know, I like to bring a little distance. Look how much dirt I have here. I got to clean. I just finished a giant print, you wouldn't believe. That took me freaking weeks almost of because it was pretty much spread out. It was a freaking nightmare of a commission, but glad I'm done with it. So anyways, as you can see, there's like debris here, a bunch of stuff. We're going to take this out, clean it up, and then put another one in. So I'll be back when I remove these two. So right here, guys, we're going to remove it. Now look at all the corrosion here. I mean, I print a lot non-stop, guys. So you could see the corrosion here. Everything works fine. So, but I'm just gonna, you know, this is about to go bad. I actually had this for an entire year on this model that I built. So this one was going off while my other ones were going off, and it was just freaking crazy. Now here's the screws that they don't include in that package. These two screws. So you want to save these when you take them out. Again, find the respected hex screw, and you'll be able to do it. Now, it came with one of these, so these things do a good job in taking things out, but with the other ones, with this, it doesn't. So I need to find the hex key to remove that, and after I clean this up, we're gonna put the other one in. So you guys could see with this baby right here, it has even a washer, so you guys could see all taken down right here. Got to do a lot of cleaning. I mean, this isn't my home right now. It is my second home, so I haven't been here in quite a while, but yeah, after my prints, I come back and, well, got to do some cleanup right now. So we're going to fix all of this. We're going to clean it up, take this baby out, and we're going to take this Bowden tube and put it in the other one, because the other one is a joke of a Bowden tube. You know, we'll just pretty much put these screws back in to where it was, and you're good to go. And then we're gonna do a leveling. Give me one moment. Also, I forgot, don't forget to pull this out of your control unit. You want to pull this out immediately. Now obviously you don't need to use this if you want to just take it out, but since I'm using the Bowden tube, I had to unscrew this baby from here. As you can see, I still have filament. I cut it, and I'm going to pull the filament out because you want to do that. I don't know why I did it without it, with it in it. So I'm going to pull out the filament. I cut it already, and now I'm going to start putting the Bowden tube into the new unit. Guys, we cleaned it, believe it or not, so now it's actually clean. We're going to put this baby here and here, the screws. So we're going to basically put this right on top, you see, right on that, and line it up with the holes here. Okay, so let's do that. Now I just wanted to show you, the orientation doesn't really matter because I saw somebody put it before on the side, but I personally keep all the wires on the side, on this side here, so you can see everything will be like that, and one side, and I can tuck it out and tuck it in, and that's about it. So we're going to put one more screw in there, and again, just tighten it as much as you can. Hand tight, don't over tighten. Hand tight, just a little bit over hand tight, I would say. and you're good to go. So see you soon. Okay guys, so you can see right here, you see where I put all of them, they're towards right around the back. Okay, so they're not, you know, overheating, they're not going to heat up and burn and all that other crazy stuff. So we're going to try to keep this and see now if when we plug it in, if when the fan is working, because we're going to plug this in obviously, we're going to see if the fan is working and there's no obstruction. So give me one moment. Okay guys, so right now we're going to turn this baby on. There we go. And you can see the fan is spinning. Do you hear any obstruction? Nada. Okay, and what I love about it, it also has that silicone part right here. And we're ready to do leveling. Now, I showed you guys how to do leveling, so I'm not going to go too much into it. But I'm just going to show you with the bone-in tube, you want to put it in, you know, just about as much as you can all the way down. I usually like to do it. And now you have it perfectly ready to go and accept filament, and we're ready to print. Of course, I got to clean this out first. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. As always, I kind of have to give this an 8 out of 10 only because it doesn't include the 2 screws here for the damn freaking fan, or the 2 screws for the hot end, which sucks, but you could find it on Amazon. It's not a problem. And like I said, I just got myself a cheapo, you know, multi-tool, and boom, I could just do this with ease without breaking any sweat. So really easy to do, really easy, and now look at it, it's all working. Now, you could get Kempton tape, which I am going to do. I'm probably going to open it up just to put a little bit more Kempton tape, even though you don't need it really, because they already give it to you. But I just, you know, like to be safe. I always do that anyway, but anyways, guys, look how nice it is. Spinning, and now there's no... My other one was kind of deformed a little bit because it banged on stuff when I was making helmets. But it was still doing a great job. But, you know, like I said, every year I like to replace it because I put this machine through a lot of work. All my machines I do that I build, a ton of work. So I like to, you know, every year spend 20 bucks is not a problem to just cover that. And you have a brand new one, and you can see this baby spins beautifully. So anyways, as always, guys, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit that bell button, share it with everybody, you know, make the family grow, comment down below. Definitely stay tuned, and a future video I'm going to show you guys how to do electroplating on the Jeep. Looking forward to getting a resin printer to do some reviews for you guys on the resin printers that I picked, that I'm picking, and I'm going to show you guys how I do with FDM and resin printing, how I do electroplating on the Jeep. I mean, really, the only thing that's going to be expensive is going to be the power supply. That's it. After that, everything's going to be cheap. So anyways, as always, I buy all these things with my own money. We do how-to videos, we do unboxings, we do game walkthroughs, psychology, spirituality. Our channel covers everything. And I thank you guys for offering me Patreon services, but as you could see, I don't have a Patreon account. And that's because I'd rather you guys keep that money. I work 3 jobs to make this happen. And believe me, that's the mission I had, was to give people honest truth on YouTube, to combat fake reviewers from these paid-for reviewers who tell you things are good when it's really not. And, you know, you guys are helping me, doing more than enough, really. Just word of mouth. We're already on our road to 10,000. And also, you know, I couldn't have done it without you guys. But most important, you guys are the jury. Do you agree? Do you disagree? I know this video is a little bit janky because I'm doing it myself. I have nothing to mount it in my house here. In my other house I do, but I wanted to show you guys how to put it together through a step-by-step process, and I hope all the concepts here, you can carry it on to other printers as well. I know you can, but it's very simple to put together, and don't be afraid of it. I know this guy on Instagram told me he spent a fortune for somebody to install this. Guys, really quick work. No joke. Don't waste your money. And like I said, you guys are doing already more than enough by being the jury. You agree, disagree with me, and together we're helping the community making, you know, to make better informed decisions, for getting real information from people like you and I. So anyways, as always, like I always say, like, subscribe, hit that bell button, share it with everybody you know, make the family grow, comment down below. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye. And I know you guys are going to ask me, what is this? I give this credit to a special lady who passed away. Her name is Nancy Nasser. She actually had this idea. This is flexible. It's used for hair or whatever. And what I do is I put it here when you're doing high prints like what do you call it, helmets and stuff. These ropes in Bowden tube gets tangled up. So basically you would just go like this and it holds it up. You know, you just do it on top like this and it pretty much holds it, and you can print as high as you want. Nothing's gonna get in the middle of it. So anyways, guys, have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye. And as you can see, guys, printing beautifully. Look at that, perfectly leveled. Because you're going to obviously have to level. Check out my leveling thing. I use a Metro card. It's the best because it's thinner than a credit card and just does a great job. And look at this. Adhesion, everything's perfect. I'm not even using a heated bed, just glue, guys. Look at this stick glue. But it's just so beautifully printing. So anyways, all is well. Have a good one. Take care. Bye. As always, guys, if you like what you see, self-funded here, be sure to check out all my other stuff, from mini series to unboxings to technology, you know, and Nintendo reviews and 3D printer reviews and all that good stuff. If you like what you see, the only way you can help the channel is by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that bell button. As many more cool videos to come. Definitely want you guys in it, and I want you guys to be vocal. Definitely comment down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye.